1.5 yard long piece of tulle and fold it in half lengthwise. Now we'll start wrapping the tulle around the hand. I like to keep my fingers apart so the tulle bow will be a bit larger. Keep wrapping your tulle over and over again until you've used up the whole tulle piece. Grab your bow in the center, fold it accordion style and pinched it so you get a bow shape. Now we'll add a small tulle piece. Take your small piece of tulle and wrap it around the gathered center, and then add a ponytail tie. Double knot the tulle piece on the back of the bow. Then wrap it a few times around the pleated center and tie it off at the back side. Instead of tying it off, you can also use a hot glue gun to keep the tulle ends in place. Enjoy! Visit evergreencottage.com for more than 100 other videos and tutorials.